1. A community outreach program allocated 3/5 of its $25,000 annual budget for adult math instruction. How much remains for other services? A. $10,000. B. $15,000. C. $12,500. D. $9,500. 2. A curriculum designer reviews test scores from 120 students. If 18 students scored below 60%, what percent of students need remediation? A. 12%. B. 15%. C. 18%. D. 20%. 3. An instructor spends 25% of a 40-hour workweek on curriculum evaluation. How many hours is this? A. 10. B. 8. C. 12. D. 6. 4. If mentoring sessions last 1.5 hours each and are held twice a week for 4 weeks, what is the total time spent mentoring? A. 10 hours. B. 12 hours. C. 16 hours. D. 8 hours. 5. A math program's attendance increased from 120 to 156 students. What is the percent increase? A. 25%. B. 30%. C. 20%. D. 36%. 6. A grant requires 35% of funds be used for adult math learning. If the grant totals $60,000, how much is allocated? A. $21,000. B. $18,000. C. $15,000. D. $24,000. 7. A mentoring curriculum includes 12 modules. If 75% are complete, how many modules are done? A. 8. B. 9. C. 7. D. 6. 8. A program serves 3 adult groups, 45 in basic math, 35 in intermediate, and 20 in advanced. What percent are in intermediate? A. 35%. B. 25%. C. 30%. D. 40%. 9. A staff member evaluates lesson plans for 2 hours each day for 5 days. How much time is spent weekly? A. 10 hours. B. 8 hours. C. 12 hours. D. 15 hours. 10. A training facility measures student progress quarterly. If a student improved from 65% to 78%, what is the absolute gain? A. 11%. B. 13%. C. 14%. D. 15%. 11. A mentor splits time equally among 4 men's for 6 hours. How much time per mentee? A. 1.5 hours. B. 2 hours. C. 2.5 hours. D. 3 hours. 12. A group has 24 students and is split into teams of 6. How many teams are formed? A. 5. B. 4. C. 6. D. 3. 13. An evaluator checks 30 assessments in 5 hours. What is the average time per assessment? A. 10 minutes. B. 12 minutes. C. 8 minutes. D. 15 minutes. 14. If a class starts at 9:15 a.m. and ends at 11:50 a.m., how long is the class? A. 2 hours 25 minutes. B. 2 hours 35 minutes. C. 2 hours 45 minutes. D. 2 hours 15 minutes. 15. A learner scored 72% on a pre-test and 84% on a post-test. What is the percent improvement? A. 14%. B. 12%. C. 16%. D. 10%. 16. If 9 out of 36 learners need math remediation, what is the simplest ratio of remediation to total learners? A. 1:4. B. 1:3. C. 1:2. D. 1:5. 17. A workshop had 80 attendees. If 60% submitted evaluations, how many did not submit? A. 32. B. 40. C. 20. D. 48. 18. A curriculum audit takes 45 minutes per unit and there are 10 units. What is the total time required? A. 7 hours. B. 6.5 hours. C. 8 hours. D. 7.5 hours. 19. A school uses 3 classrooms for 6 hours daily. If each room operates at 80% capacity, how many total classroom hours are utilized daily? A. 14.4. B. 13.5. C. 15. D. 12.8. 20. An instructor earns $28 an hour and teaches 25 hours a week. What is the weekly salary? A. $700. B. $750. C. $680. D. $800. 21. A math tutor charges $40 per hour. If a session lasts 1.75 hours, what is the total cost? A. $65. B. $70. C. $75. D. $80. 22. A program operates from 8:45 a.m. to 3:20 p.m. How many total minutes is the operation time? A. 395 minutes. B. 415 minutes. C. 420 minutes. D. 455 minutes. 23. A mentor schedule includes 5 ments for 2 hours each week. How many total mentoring hours monthly? A. 40. B. 30. C. 20. D. 25. 24. If 2/3 of students pass an exam in a class of 60, how many failed? A. 10. B. 20. C. 15. D. 25. 25. A project report is due in 14 days. If the team completes 10% daily, how many days early can it be completed? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. 26. A total of 180 questions were created by 6 educators. How many questions did each write if split equally? A. 25. B. 30. C. 28. D. 35. 27. A test has 80 items. If learners complete it in 100 minutes, what is the average time per item? A. 1.5 minutes. B. 1.25 minutes. C. 1.75 minutes. D. 2 minutes. 28. A training manual has 240 pages. If an instructor reviews 12 pages per hour, how many hours to finish? A. 20. B. 18. C. 22. D. 24. 29. If a budget allows for $6,000 across 4 modules, how much per module? A. $1,250. B. $1,500. C. $2,000. D. $1,200. 30. A facilitator delivers 3 workshops monthly. How many in a year? A. 36. B. 30. C. 24. D. 40. 31. A cohort improved from 62% to 77% over 3 months. What is the average monthly improvement? A. 5%. B. 4%. C. 6%. D. 3%. 32. A math workshop cost $3,200 and served 80 participants. What is the cost per participant? A. $40. B. $50. C. $45. D. $55. 33. A review team of 4 completed 120 surveys. If divided evenly, how many per person? A. 28. B. 30. C. 32. D. 35. 34. A teaching assistant works 4.5 hours a day, 5 days a week. What is the total weekly time? A. 20. B. 22.5. C. 23. D. 25. 35. A mentoring log tracks 18 sessions over 6 weeks. What is the average per week? A. 2. B. 3. C. 4. D. 5. 36. If a team evaluates 5 rubrics per hour, how many can they review in 7 hours? A. 30. B. 35. C. 25. D. 40. 37. A survey indicates 48% of learners prefer online modules. Out of 250, how many is this? A. 120. B. 130. C. 125. D. 135. 38. An evaluator rates lesson plans on a 10-point scale. If the average score is 7.6, what is the total for 10 plans? A. 76. B. 74. C. 78. D. 72. 39. A school assesses students every 45 days. How many assessments occur in a 180-day year? A. 4. B. 3. C. 5. D. 6. 40. A course requires 16 instructional hours. If taught 2 hours per session, how many sessions are needed? A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. D. 9. 41. A learner completed 4 of 10 modules. What percent remains? A. 60%. B. 40%. C. 70%. D. 50%. 42. A training series has 90% satisfaction from 200 attendees. How many gave positive feedback? A. 160. B. 170. C. 180. D. 190. 43. A training session costs $1,200 and lasts 6 hours. What is the hourly cost? A. $180. B. $200. C. $150. D. $220. 44. If a student completes 6 tasks in 90 minutes, how many minutes per task? A. 12. B. 15. C. 18. D. 10. 45. A student needs 75% to pass. If the test has 80 items, what is the minimum passing score? A. 55. B. 60. C. 65. D. 70. 46. An evaluator plans to review 48 lessons over 6 weeks. What is the weekly target? A. 6. B. 7. C. 8. D. 9. 47. A student answered 45 of 60 questions correctly. What is the score percentage? A. 70%. B. 75%. C. 80%. D. 85%. CASAS Math Skills Test Numeracy and Problem Solving. The CASAS Math Skills Test Numeracy and Problem Solving is a standardized assessment designed to measure an individual's ability to understand, interpret, and apply mathematical concepts in real-life situations. It focuses on numeracy skills essential for workplace tasks, academic achievement, and daily problem solving. The test evaluates a range of competencies including basic arithmetic, number sense, measurement, algebraic thinking, and data analysis. Designed for adult learners, the CASAS Math Test supports educational planning, workforce readiness, and skill development by aligning with national and state standards. It is widely used by adult education programs, employers, and training institutions to assess progress and determine instructional needs. Here are the top 5 beneficial uses of the sample exam. 1. Educational placement. The test helps educators accurately place adult learners in appropriate math instructional levels by assessing their current numeracy and problem-solving skills. 2. Skill development tracking. It supports ongoing measurement of learning gains, allowing programs to monitor student progress and adjust instruction to improve outcomes. 3. Workforce readiness. The test identifies math competencies essential for job performance, helping training providers and employers align instruction with workplace demands. 4. Program accountability. CASAS data informs federal and state reporting requirements, demonstrating program effectiveness and learner achievement. 5. Curriculum development. Results guide educators in refining instructional materials and strategies to meet learner-specific numeracy needs.